Is it worth for the £3? I don't know. I got it for £25. Hi lovelies, it's Carris here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be reviewing my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's been out for over a year now, but I've only just got it myself, so I'm going to be doing the review. Yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Like so, comes up like so. This is what it looks like, guys. Kind of closes in a snap like so. And look at this gorgeous mirror, guys. Got a pretty heavy mirror. It feels quite heavy. It doesn't feel light for plastic because it's quite plastic. And it feels really nice. It's got different places. I can see different nice places here. It's got Big Ben on it. Places to go holidays in or something. It's just so nice. I like the idea actually. So lovely. These are the colors. It's got a total of 21 colors. There's some matte colors, there is shimmers, there's like metallic colors in here. Looks so nice. And I love the mirror. I think this is the perfect holiday palette actually, because it's got a mirror, it's got all the colors, it's got black in it, you know, so you could create any look really. It's got brown in there, so that's really nice. It's got neutrals, it's got pop of colors in there. It retails for £43. That's the retail price, and I got this palette for $25.20. I think they were doing like a 40% off when I got it. What it looks like again. I just love that it has the Big Ben in here. So we're represented. Yeah, I'm going to be creating a look with this palette. And I'll kind of give you my thoughts on this palette. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys see when I apply the colors. P. Louise base. Okay, so I use this to prime my eyes. I'll just make sure there is no crease in there. So many colors, I don't know which to use. Just gonna use Weekender. So I'm gonna use this color here called Weekender. I'm gonna put that on my crease. This just looks exactly like my skin tone color, but yeah, it will serve as a good transition. As you can see, it does have a bit of fallout from it already. It does have fallout technically. I'm gonna go into Reef and I'm gonna put that on my crease. So this is the color Reef. I'm just putting that on my crease like so. If you notice now, I'm holding the brush at the end because I just don't want too much of harshness to it. So when you hold it on the hand, you're lightly touching it. I'm just gonna get a clean brush and just kind of buff out the edges like so. Just literally to give it a very smooth, no sharp lines whatsoever. Good as Gone, which is this color here. I would concentrate it at the outer. I'm using a small brush and I'm doing it into just the outer side of it. I would kind of do like on the outer V with this color, Good as Gone. So I'm kind of going like so. It's really pigmented actually, not bad. Not bad at all. Reef color. and I would just kind of blend it out properly. So I'm gonna go back into the brush I used earlier, just blend everything. It's a color here, and I'm just gonna, just a tiny bit because it looks really pigmented, just to put in a bit of color. Just dab in it here, like so. Wow, I like the color actually. I'm doing like a windshield wiper motion. I'll go in with a clean brush and I'll just blend out everything. So I'm gonna be using Accelerate. I'm just gonna use my fingers on this now. I'm just gonna go in with a brush. It looks really nice. Just like this, we're good to go actually. So if you're new to makeup, you could just use this color all over, just a brown on top, this color all over, you're good to go. I'll go back with the Good Is Gone and just smoke out the side with that. So I'm back in with Good As Gone, this color here, and that's what I'm using to. It's lovely, especially the shimmers. They just apply, they melt into the skin. It just melted into my skin, literally melted in. And just kind of blend in here like so. I think I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna use Ignite actually. Now I've tried the shimmer shades, I'm intrigued to know how this color will perform. I'm gonna use Ignite now. Didn't make any difference. So I'm gonna use the color Stranded now. It certainly puts a bit of color in there, but it's kind of taking away Ignite, but still nice. I'm gonna use a flat brush like this with Punk, just on top of my lid like so, as like an eyeliner. And just blend out the end. So since I've taken away the Accelerate, I'm just gonna go back in. Just put it here in the middle like so, just to bring back the color. This is gone, and I'll go in back into Stranded. And just blend outer. Then I'll go into Punk here and just smoke it out a tiny bit. Gonna go back into this one here, Badger, put in a bit of color here. This is just a clean brush. I'm just gonna kind of blend everything, especially together here. I use this for my arch, brow arch. So I've used Blaze, the color Blaze here, and I'm just gonna blend that ever so slightly like so. Use Stranded for the inner. Weekender. Gonna go in with Reef. Then I'm gonna go in with this Badger color here. Gonna go in with Punk. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish my lash and fix my lash and kind of finish the rest of my makeup offline. I'm just gonna come back with my final views on this product. Okay, so I've kind of done my lashes offline. MAC Fix Plus. I'm actually gonna highlight with this Stranded. Why not? So this is kind of the final look, guys. In terms of my final thoughts on this palette, the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I love this palette. Definitely, I can see why they put this holiday areas as a niche, because this is really the holiday palette. Because it has a black in it, I think you can really work with this shadow for everything. You could do a nude look with this. You could do a glam look, night look. So I do love this palette. I must confess, I don't know why I waited to get this palette so long, but it's an awesome palette. And most of the palettes I've got, there's either no black or something missing, so it's a good thing to have an all-rounder palette. I just love the colors. Love everything about this palette actually. The colors are beautiful. I would be taking this on holiday with me because it's small enough and it's just nice. It's got 21 shades. I don't think you can go wrong for 21 shades. Really nice. I can take this palette and run. Definitely my weekender kind of palette. It's not too big and it's heavy. It's a bit heavy, but I think it's because of the mirror. It's really quite high quality mirror. It's not like a scrappy mirror. It's really quite good solid mirror in there. I like the matte, I like the metallic, I like the shimmers. I love the palette. It's a bit it's versatile. Is it worth for the £3? I don't know. I got it for £25. So yeah, it's a good palette to have. And yeah, and the colors are quite pigmented. This color is beautiful. Badger, Accelerate. I'm gonna create other looks with this palette. Definitely. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the notification button so you see new uploads as I do it on time. I hope you have a lovely day. Until next time, bye.